Hello kids. I hope you all are good and enjoying your studies. Today we have for you some amazing, mind-engaging riddles that will keep you entertained and get your brains working. So let's get started. But before that, do like and subscribe to our channel. It belongs to you, but your friends use it more. What is it? It's your name. I have a tail and a head, but no body. What am I? A coin. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? Guess it, kids. It's a candle. Let's get into another one. What goes up and down but doesn't move? The answer is a staircase. What has legs but cannot walk? Yes kids, you are close. It's a table. We are twins, we are close together, but we will not touch, but far apart, we become one. What are we? The answer is eyes. I reflect the light. That's not very bright. I sit in the same place all year, all the time. Right here, you cannot see me all right. At least when it's not night. Okay. I know it is a little difficult, but let me give you a hint. It only shines in the night. Now think, what is it? It's the moon. Pearl white chest without key or lid, inside of which golden treasure is hid. What am I? Egg. Let's get into another one. Where can you find cities, towns, shops, and streets but no people? The answer is a map. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they? Footsteps. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more such knowledgesome and interesting stuff, do check out our channel and don't forget to subscribe.